Hi everybody, today we're gonna learn the vocabulary together. Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nisupoza kolanda nga na oyo toza na ngonga ekokana te. Lelo na kotangisa bino vocabulaire na anglais. So boza na mituna, s'il vous plaît, botindelanga mituna na bino na suka. Tika toleka na biso. Na ndenge na bongisili yango, na ko utiliser yango mona komia na lobi use frequency phrases to say how often something normally happens. Alors, once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every day. Okay? Eza blo msusu yaka na ngata msusu na week moko to 2 semaines to na 2 semaines to una. Hein? To mikolo nyonso. Yango na lobi awa. I go to the gym twice a week. Guylain goes to work 3 times a week. Stephen eats dinner at 7:30 p.m. every day. Steve goes swimming 4 times a week. They watch TV 5 times a week. I'm going to repeat again. Okay? I go to the gym twice a week. Elingo lobake na mwa moko nakenda kaka na gym twice a week. Okay? Pardon. Na semaine, pardon, na semaine moko, na semaine moko nakenda kaka twice na gym. Tamsu nakenda ka lundi, pardon, nakenda tamsusu mercredi na vendredi. To lundi na mercredi. Na pesa exemple. Yango nazolobela ke twice a week. Donc mikolo mibale kaka na semaine moko. Hein? Guylain goes to work 3 times a week. Tamsu nakenda kosala na kaka lundi, mardi, mercredi na semaine moko esili. Guys, when I said I go to the gym twice a week, okay, which means I go to the gym maybe Monday, Wednesday only, okay, twice a week, okay. Yawan, yawan atawan. Every day a shower has he. Okay, get up 5 days. I at 6 a.m. Okay, now we're gonna put them together. Okay, we're gonna put them together to make to salangwe kuma phrase. Okay, now ndenge moko na tawa to ba réponse. Okay, to ba réponse aya malamu. He has a shower every day. He has a shower every day. He has a shower every day. I get up at 6 a.m. 5 days a week. They go to bed at 11 p.m. every day. Sarah plays soccer twice a week. Jamie wash his clothes James wash his clothes once a week. James washes his clothes once a week. Okay, so this is James. It's like Jacques. Ozomona awa prononciation ni nango prononciation ayo koko changer. Et comme lokola zi go changer de dépendre ba mais ke ba prononcer na ndenge na bango ba anglais pe ba prononcer na ndenge na bango, okay? Koko changer mo muke. Avant, he has a shower every day. I get up at 6 a.m. 5 days a week. They go to bed at 11 p.m. every day. Sarah plays soccer twice a week. James wash his clothes once a week. Alors, ndenge na po ba video na nga eza vraiment milaya te. Oka ke kozana mituna kotuna obanga na bino te tindela ngango, okay? Video eza vraiment mulaya te sa exercice kaka ndenge na bongisaki yango. Alors, ndenge na utoloba wana soki nde zolingi osala ba exercice mwa mingi eza wana koko kotindela nga mituna na kosala tuna tindela yo ba note. Meme kaka ba video na za kosala soki ndeti bozana mituna ndeti olingi na tindela yo ba ndeti na document otanga ngo bien na koko tindela yo problem eza te. One more time here, guys. Totanga. I go to the gyms twice a week. Gillan goes to work 3 times a week. Steven eats dinner at 7:30 p.m. every day. Mingi tolobaga PM te olobaga 7:30 every day, okay? Mais pona ko bato ba anglais te ifuna loba yango. Steve eats dinner at 7:30 p.m. every day. Steven eats dinner at 7:30 p.m. every day. Steve goes swimming 4 times a week. They watch TV 5 times a week. Alors, ndena utoloba wana video eza ma mulaya te. So bozana mituna kotindela nga botindela nga na za poto salisana. Ngana osuka na nga pona lelo. Nzambe abatela